we are asked to factorize 3 minus 2x minus s squared. Okay, we are going to use what is I normally call scissors method for this. Okay, factorization or factorize simply means, for example, a situation where you are trying to separate two things or two or more things. All right, maybe rice and beans, rice and stone, something like that. Okay, so you need to separate them. So we need to separate things from this expression. Okay, this is not an equation. Why? Because we don't have this equated to anything. We don't have equality sign here, right? So this is purely an expression. Okay, let's use that scissors method I talked about. So let's see what it will give us. Let's have 3 minus 2x minus s squared. Okay, we cross it like this for the first time. So this minus is for s squared. So plus is here. So plus times minus is minus. 3 times s squared is 3s squared. Now, I need to find two factors that can multiply to give me minus 3s squared, and if I add them, they'll give me minus 2s squared. And the factors are, okay, uh, for me to have minus, I already have 3 and 1. 3 times 1 is 3. And then what magic can I do to this 3 and 1 to have 2? If I do minus, I will have 3 minus 1 to give me 2. But what I have is minus 2. Therefore, this minus is not supposed to be before 1. Rather, it's supposed to be here. I will then have plus, okay? So minus 3 plus 2 will give me minus 2. Okay, I'm going to have the factors to be minus 3 and the positive 1. So minus times plus is minus. 3 times 1 is 3. So if I add x here, x times s will give me s squared. Okay, and then if I add the 2 again, here is plus, here is minus. So minus 3 plus 1 will give me minus 2. All right, so these are the factors for this and this. Okay, let's now replace this middle one with this. Okay, with this. We're going to replace it. So let's have 3, then minus 3x. Here is plus 1x. 1x means x, so plus x. Then our final one minus s squared. So I now have 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess 3. 1, 2, 3. So because I have 4, I need to separate them. So this can be 3 minus 3x. Together, I have plus here, so I have no problem. So x minus s squared. Okay, and between this and this, what is the common factor? What can divide this and this? All right. All right, I have 3 because 3 can divide this and this. So if 3 divides this 3, I have 1. If 3 divides minus 3x, I'll have minus x plus, what can divide this and this? I'll only have x outside. So x divide this, I'll have 1. X divide this, I have 1x. Okay. All right, so looking at the bracket, we have 1 minus s, 1 minus s. So it is then now I can now factorize. I can now shift them by the side because they are common. Okay, this can be 1 minus x. All right, then what do I have left outside? And 3 is plus x. Okay. All right, so let's go to the options. 1 minus x, 1 minus s, 3 plus x, or s, or 1 minus x, 1 minus s. So this is the right option. It can be reversed, all right? This can as well be x plus 3 into 1 minus x, and this is what it is, okay? And that is by the way. Thank you for being there. See you next time.